Yeah boy, computer unlocked.
Oh my god, look, I'm into URL. It is amazing. Oh my god, I got URL! Mom!
Yeah, what?
Guess what?
You got a job?
No.
Ow.
I got into UAL!
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, great! Yeah! Now, seriously, get a f***ing job before I...
1, 2, 1, 2.
Where are we going?
We are going to Ikea.
Ooh. Hello.
I love Ikea.
Me too. So that's a bit aggressive, isn't it?
It is a bit aggressive, really. I don't know. What, get the flag?
I didn't get the bloody flag. I want that flag. It's not fair.
Get some more napkins on the way through, because
We're getting there.
Good evening. The time is 8:45 p.m. and the store will be closing in 15 minutes at 9 p.m. Could all remaining
Ooh.
I'm gonna miss you.
No, you're not.
No, right, I'm not.
Say it nice.
Thank you.
Take them into Guildford, Henry, and then I'll be back in a minute, okay?
It's move out day. Ooh, are you excited?
I'll switch it off.
This must be the most wing it uni experience, isn't it?
I know other people are probably having like a worse journey.
Well, it's not the journey, it's the lack of preparation.
Pull the trigger, now he's dead. Mama!
Edmund! I'm sorry.
Station on this service is Clapham Junction.
Hello.
Yeah, it's cool. They got free bananas. They got bananas, yeah. I missed the burgers. I'm a bit vexed, I'm not gonna lie. I was really ganging up, like, anteed up for that burger.
How's it gonna be on YouTube?
I mean, I don't know.
Oh, snap, it is, isn't it? No. Anything I said before, please. Like,
Nah, we gotta get that zoom in. We gotta get that zoom in. Ooh. Damn, boy. It's all good from here, right?
Yeah, all good from here. Alright,
See
take
you then.
care.
Bye.
Behave yourself.
Bye.
There should be food in the common room.
Areas.
In New York, I mainly rock.
You want a snack? Oh yeah. Our vlog. Today we are in the courtyard. That's a mad thing.
10 out of 10 for vegans.
Yeah.
Didn't you know? Todd's vegan.
How was the pizza?
Good.
Channel. Hello. Hi guys. Hey guys, like, follow, subscribe.
I finally moved into UAL halls. Thank you for watching the video.